Okay, so now we know about Rama, Lakshmana, Sita, Ravan and Maricha. So, in scene 1, it's a drama, it's a play, In scene 1, in a forest, Rama, Lakshmana are talking. Rama and Lakshmana are talking. I can't say Lakshmana on that. Okay, anyways, Lakshmana. So, Ram and Lakshmana are talking, both the brothers. Lakshmana, dear brother, are you happy here in the forest? Question. Dear brother, are you happy in this forest? Don't you miss Ayodhya and all the good things of home? 14 years is a long time to be away. They were 14 years in exile. So that 14 years is already, whenever exile happens, it's 14 years. Lifetime imprisonment in jail, 14 years. That's the system. Rama says, I am happy to be alive and with you Sita and for company. I am more than content. I am happy to be alive. Whether I am in Ayodhya or whether I am jungle and I have you as my brother, my wife as Sita, your company together, I am content, I am happy. Even if I am in a jungle, as long as you are there. Lakshman. But brother, you are a prince. It is you who should be the king of Ayodhya. You should not have to live like a hermit here in the forest. But brother, you are a prince, you are supposed to be the king of Ayodhya. You are not supposed to live like a pujari and a hermit. Hermit is an old man, worshipper of God. Pujari, hermit. You are not going to stay like a hermit, old man without anything, all that classic style of the prince and palace and all that. You are not supposed to live here in the jungle like this. Rama is saying, I am not impatient or ambitious. I am grateful that I can live here simply. It is peaceful and beautiful, don't you agree? Are you not happy here, Lakshmana? Like he says, Rama is that he is not impatient that I have to go back and that I have to be rich, I have to be powerful. Impatient is not getting angry with himself that, I don't want to stay. This, I don't have someone to give me tea, I don't have someone to give me water, I don't have someone to blow me air. He's a king. I'm not angry with that. I'm not impatient or ambitious to be a king and rich and all this. I'm liking this place. I'm grateful that I can live here simple life. Think big and live simple. It is peaceful and beautiful. Don't you agree? Are you not happy here, Lakshmana? Now he throws the question to his brother. Lakshmana, yes, I'm happy. But I worry that your enemies will find us here. Ravana will never forgive you for marrying Sita, for he wanted her for his bride. Ravan had wanted to marry Sita, but he could not. So, he'll be angry with you. He's your enemy. I think we are not safe here. Fine. Rama, don't worry, brother. We are safe here. No one knows we are in the forest, and besides, we are both strong and good fighters. Don't worry, brother. We are strong and solid. We are good fighters, good warriors, and no one knows that we are here in the forest or jungle. Lakshman, yes, brother, but as you know, Ravana does not fight fairly. He will use anything or he will use anyone or anything to get his revenge. He is not a fair fighter. He does not fair that he does not say that, okay, let's fight today, let's take a war or something. He'll take other means. He'll use dirty means. He'll try to trick us. He'll try to do anything to take his revenge. Scene 1 finished. Now we come to scene 2. Ravana and Maricha are talking in Ravana's palace. Ravana has got his own secretary, Maricha, the Rakshasa magician. All Sri Lanka was full of Rakshasas. The Rakshasa magician. Raksha. uh, Raksha magician, Rakshasa magician, Ravana. Well, Maricha, what kind of magician are you? Show me how good you are. I want you to do something for me. Ravan, sound has to be like Ravan, solid. Maricha, you are my lord, master. You are my lord and my master. Just tell me what to do. I will do it for you. Ravan, you know that Rama and Sita are living in the forest. I want to steal Sita away. I want her to be my wife. What a thing. Someone else has married Sita, now he's saying, no, I want to take her, I want to bring her and become my wife. I want her back. And you know that Rama and Sita, he's got his network is solid. He knows that they are living in the jungle. Maricha, don't even think about it. Rama is dangerous. Don't do anything to make him angry. If you kidnap his wife, he will kill you. Maricha had told him in the beginning, in the first part, don't fiddle with Rama, you will die. And don't touch his wife. Wife is very precious. Wife is life. A husband should protect her wife like Ram. No matter what happens, he should be there always. And whoever touches anyone's wife, full action. Anyone touches my friend also, I do full action. You have to have that feelings. Even if my friend, if anything happens, may my friend be bad, good, whatever, but my friend, when I am there, that person is good with me, anything happens, I am going to fight for it. That's it, what should be. Ravana, this is my plan. You will change yourself into a beautiful golden deer. Sita will want you and Rama. Sita will want you and Rama will try to catch you for her. You must lead him into the deepest forest. I will get rid of Lakshmana, then I can kidnap Sita. Program set, plan, program, everything is set. You are a magician, become a nice, beautiful deer, golden deer. And run in front of Sita. Sita will like you. She will try to want you. She will tell Rama, please get this deer for me. And then you will start running away. Rama will chase you. And you go deep into the forest. I will take care of Lakshman, don't worry. And then I will kidnap Sita. Fine. Deal set. Program all ready. Maricha, you make it sound simple. I do not think they will be so easily fooled. If anything goes wrong, we will be dead. You are taking it simple, but those guys are tough as well, boss. Don't take risks. You are thinking it will be easy, but if we get caught, we are dead. He is telling Ravana. Maricha is already scared. Ravana, they are blinded by love. Are you afraid? Ha! You are my servant. If you don't obey me, I will put you to death anyways. They are blind in love. They love each other so much. Ram and Sita ka jodi. They love so much each other. That he will do anything for Sita. Fine. He will do anything for Sita. Are you afraid, Maricha? If you don't do this for me, anyways, I'll be going to. If you don't obey me or listen to me, I'll put you to death. Either ways, you are going to die. You get caught, you die. You don't do it, you die. Is par ya us par. Dangerous. Maricha, you leave me no choice. I have no other choice. It seems I will lose my life either way. That's what I said just now. I said if I don't do it, if I do it, I get stuck, I die. If I don't do it, you are going to kill me. Scene 2 finishes here. Okay, I'll come back in the next video.